Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am your host, Warlindor, and I present to you the Old Gods of Asgard featuring the best-selling writer Alan Wake. This is Herald of Darkness.
You grew up nice and sheltered with mama's pretty stories and you're all made up fury. And mama gave me a magic clicker. Well, yes, I think it's true and fair to say. Come on!